Got my safety goggles on here. I mean, look at these googly eyes. These are my regular, these are tinted transition glasses. Can you see that little speck right there, a little white spot? I was wearing these when I was weed whacking, and a rock came up and caught me right there in this stupid little speck. It was right where my eyeball is. So now I take these off and I wear these. I like music, so I play a little music. I really like this Badger, Wild Badger power tools. 20 volt, it's got a variable head and it's got a self-feed line. You don't have to bump the bottom. It's not just tall, wispy grass here. There's a lot of brambles. It's got some blackberry vines. It's got some seedlings of alder trees. It's got really tall grass, thick grass down at the bottom. It's got a lot of foxglove seedlings here that it's cutting through. It's doing really pretty good. But what I really like to use it for is cutting the sides of the grass. I'll show you that just over here. The edging mechanism, you just flip that little guy down, flip it straight, turn this thing, push that button in, twist it this way, it turns the handle sideways. That gets you the edger mechanism. Get my sunglasses out of the way. And look at how nice that works. The nice part is you don't have to hold it. You know, a lot of them you have to hold it up here in constant pressure. This thing has a roller on the bottom. It just rolls right along. I'll show you that clean cut. I mean, look at that. Look at that clean cut it gives. Nice and clean all the way down. You can see where I stopped right here. It's all fuzzy right here. So we'll just continue down along here. All right, that looks good. My edging job is done for the day. Off to other projects.